Oh no, what's going on? Oh my gosh, something's wrong. All right, I've got to assess the scene. So I'm assessing the situation. Everything looks good. You call 911. You get an AED. All right, so let me check this guy. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? Check his breathing. He's not breathing. Okay, and he's just a child, so I have to use one arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, get him 2 breaths. All right, now I've got to give him second set, 30 compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2 breaths. Oh, here's the AED. I bring the AED, I put it here, I open it up. I put one of the electrodes here, one of the electrodes here, and the AED is assessing the situation. Stand back, stand back. All right, it's ready. I need to charge it. Charging. All right. My last set of 30 compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2 breaths. And EMS is here, and they are taking over.